Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. One, let's just get it out the way. I know my voice sounds a little weird. I've been a little under the weather, but we're gonna look past that. If you are new here, I actually have 3 daughters, and my middle daughter has been on my channel a lot of times, but my 13-year-old has been wanting to make an appearance on my channel, and today is the day. Because I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, I thought, why not bring her on and let her pamper me a little bit? So I'm gonna let her do my makeup for the first time ever. We're gonna see if I'll actually walk out in public once she's done with my makeup today. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Celeste. I'm her youngest daughter. I'm 13 years old, as she's already told you, and I'm really excited to see how this goes because I've never done anybody's makeup but my own.
I've done like a little mini makeup session with her when she decided to start wearing a little bit of makeup. I obviously wanted to know that she knew what she was doing and that she wasn't overdoing it. So she's done a little bit of her makeup today. It's very light, very age appropriate, but she's actually never done anybody else's makeup before. So it'll be interesting to see how she does with my face.
And if you're not subscribed already to my mom's channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any fun.
That's right. I'm gonna send her over and let her pick out whatever makeup she's going to use on me today. And while she's picking out the makeup, I do wanna thank Ana Luisa for partnering with me on today's video. You guys know I am an Ana Luisa ambassador now. I love this company. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company that creates quality pieces for very affordable prices, and I am obsessed with all of the pieces that I own from them. And here are a few new pieces that I recently got, and a few of you had asked in my last video what jewelry I was wearing, and these are all Ana Luisa. So I've got these beautiful little stud earrings. These are called the Arron stud earrings, I believe. They're just beautiful. They're crosses, and that of course is near and dear to my heart because of my faith. And then this little necklace to match. It's so dainty but so beautiful. This necklace is called their Jacob cross necklace. I love Ana Luisa pieces because they are very timeless, very elegant. They have pieces that you can really dress up, dress down. You can wear them every single day and it's not gonna make you look overdone. And then I also have this little necklace. Ignore my ugly nails right now, okay? But it's just a little diamond ring that just, it encompasses the whole finger. The diamonds go all around. And Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral, sustainable brand. And that is something that I can really get behind and appreciate. So if you guys have not checked out Ana Luisa, please go ahead, check them out. They are having a huge BOGO sale right now for Valentine's Day where you buy one, get one 40% off. I'll have all of their information linked in the description box as well as the link to my pieces. If you are looking for that special gift for that special someone in your life, Ana Luisa definitely has so much to pick from. Take advantage of this BOGO sale. You won't be sorry. Their pieces are just, they're just beautiful and such great quality. So there you go. Here's all of the makeup. I actually just went ahead and picked out because she wasn't exactly sure what to use. So I just picked out everything that we need. I'm just gonna let her take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. Let's go.
Where's your primer?
This is your tutorial.
I found it.
You can walk them through what you're doing.
This is not a professional video. This is a girl who doesn't know what the heck she's doing trying to do her mom's makeup. Okay, guys?
Here's the before.
She's gonna look worse after, guys.
And she's got some breakouts to cover.
Why is it so thick? Did I need more? Because I feel like...
Oh my gosh. Primer's on.
Alright, okay.
I don't think it was very evenly distributed.
Shut up.
I might have to like apply it because this, I hate the
liquidy?
dropper. This is the foundation that I just got from AOA Studios. Shot Miss A. Time to blend.
It's so weird doing it not on yourself.
I know, it's totally different, isn't it?
It's a lot harder.
Mm-hmm. Back. Ow!
Oh yeah, guys, if you didn't know, if you can't tell, I have straight hair.
Missed a spot.
Here. Which brush did I just use?
Ow. Easy. Don't poke me in the eye.
Okay. Which
What's
one?
the T for?
Testosterone.
Okay. Remember, with makeup, it's all about blending.
I know. I already know it's bad. Like, I already know that I'm not doing good.
Any mean comments will be deleted. Should I not look at all until the very end? I feel like that's what I should do.
Yeah.
Let's do that. This is really gonna be a good trust exercise now.
It looks...
I actually just picked up 2 more of this particular blender today because I love it so much.
Yeah, she was getting a lot of e.l.f. products.
Yeah. Okay.
What is this?
Next up, that's for brows.
We're not going to be using that.
The next step would be a little bit of powder.
Oh yeah, that's what I usually use.
AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This came from Shop Miss A as well. Woo! This stuff is so finely milled.
I usually use it all over.
I mean, I have a big powder brush
Do you
you
think
can
it
use
will
if
look
you
better?
want.
I don't have... Guys, she went
Here you
from
go.
this to this. What is that? She has 50,000 brushes.
Here you go.
Powder kind of makes everything better. Makes it look less oily and stuff.
I don't have a problem with oil though. Not anymore.
I do. Well, I don't really anymore. Ever since I've been using Curology.
So she started using Curology, I don't know, a couple months ago? 3 months ago? Something like that.
Yeah, probably 3 months ago.
Yeah.
I get really bad acne. You cannot see literally any of it, but I'm telling you guys, it's awful. Like, you think I'm being dramatic. It's literally, it's awful. It's gotten a lot better ever since I've started using that.
It's made a big difference.
Okay.
So what do you like to do for fun?
So what I like to do when I'm at home and not at school, I usually like to paint.
Next, I would
Where's
normally
your
go with
blush?
bronzer. Do it under what?
Like
Under the jaw?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good though.
If I'm just embarrassing myself.
I normally go really ham with the bronzer. It felt like very light, easy strokes.
And this is the highlighter, guys.
Oh, we're putting it down the cheek?
Stop judging me. You don't even know what you look like.
I know, I'm sure it's beautiful. Yeah, it's the Go Travel palette by Focalure. She's my only daughter, because I have 3.
I'm your only daughter.
The only daughter that actually like is really into makeup at all. My other daughters, they'll do their own makeup, but they've never been interested in like ever doing anybody else's or mine. That brush is really pokey.
I used to do dance, and my mom used to always do my makeup, and I hated it because of brushes like these that would poke my eye.
Oh, was that it for the eyes?
I don't usually, but I think it's fine.
All right, we'll go with it.
So now,
I want to be fresh like you.
so I guess I'm gonna attempt to do her brows, and
I mean, have you done your own
No,
before?
I've never done brows in my life. I don't even have a brow pencil.
Hopefully they can see.
Why'd you talk
How
me
does it
into
look?
this?
Does it look okay? We are rolling through this.
Well,
I feel like we are going quick.
I usually do my makeup pretty fast. I usually do brow gel.
Okay.
I've never used lip liner before.
That felt strange.
Why is that so pigmented?
All right. Look okay?
It's so hot in here.
It's not. It's just you, I promise.
I'm sweating so much. Is this lip stuff?
That's lip gloss.
I can smell it. It smells very... It's the plumper one.
That smells so good.
Okay, we're gonna do mascara. I usually use the clear mascara because, like, I cry a lot.
That's a good reason. That is a good reason.
Crier.
13. Okay, 13.
If you're a crier, then clear mascara would be good for you, but you're blinking a million times.
I'm trying not to.
Okay,
Oh, Jesus.
stop doubting me.
Please don't poke my eye. Oh my gosh. Please don't poke my eye.
Okay. Look at me. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Setting spray.
Alright, you think I'm good?
It's basically my routine, so you're
Okay.
gonna look like... Why did it spray like that?
You gotta move
Okay.
it. I have
I
one
will
big
do that.
glob. One big glob right there in my eye. At least you know that.
If you have asthma, you better be glad that you're not here. Okay, guys. So you're about to see me. Oh no, the battery's about to run out.
No, no, no. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Oh. Okay. Let's do a little up close. It's very natural.
That's usually what I do on my face. So.
It's very natural. I think you did a good job.
Would you go
I would
out?
have done a little more bronzer. I definitely like to line my lips, make sure that I've got some definition in my lips, so I would have definitely done that. This is just kind of like a
Celeste look.
your skin but better sort of look. It really does. Like, this is definitely like your routine.
So the big question I have for you is, would you go out with your makeup like that?
I would definitely go out. Very different than like, your full glam, but I think it's
Definitely
good.
different than what she would do.
Different than what I would normally do,
She usually
but
goes pretty, full out.
good job, babe.
Thanks.
You did good. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, but it was nice since I'm not feeling great for
Okay.
her to be able to come
That's
and
what you're
do
gonna say?
my makeup.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more content like this, then make sure to continue watching our channel and subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed.
And once again, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa and take advantage of their 40% off BOGO sale right now for Valentine's Day. See you in my next one.
Peace out.